Welcome to Ilanit Talk. We are talking to Isaac Izala, who works on animated films. Thanks for joining us, Isaac. So, what do you do exactly?
Well, I am a film editor and a person who puts the animated movie together.
Oh, how is animated films different for a regular movie, Isaac?
Well, actually they are very similar.
Take us through the process, please.
Well, first, just like a regular film, a script is written. You have to start with a good written script.
Of course, and it has to be funny.
Exactly. Then a director is hired.
Now, what does the director of animated films do? Direct the drawing?
No, the director, who is probably the most important person, manages the process. He helps develop the characters and works with the actors.
So, what happens next?
Well, drawings are made to illustrate the history, to show what happens. This is called a storyboard. It is a sort of like a rehearsal. When that's done, the animation can begin. It will tell you how to do it the old-fashioned way. It is more interesting.
Oh yeah, why?
It is all computerized now. So first, in the old way, actors record the character's voice in a recording studio. The whole script is recorded.
And then what, Zach?
Then the backgrounds are created. It's like building the sets for a play.
Sounds fun. And what's next, Zach?
Well, the animation begins. First, pictures of the characters are drawn. The animator draws the pictures on a clear plastic called celluloid. That's why they are called cells. Each picture is drawn on a separated cell.
Oh, and then what?
Okay, here's where it gets fun. They put each cell on top of the background picture and take a photograph. They do this many times. When all the photographs are put together, it looks like the characters are moving.
That's amazing! So, that's that?
Not quiet. The director and I have to put these scenes together so that they match the sound. The voices have to match the characters' movements. Once the sound has been added to the film, that's that.
Fascinating! Thanks for talking to us, Isaac. Now we are going to listen my co-worker, Mr. Taylor, with the news of the sports for today. Thanks for joining us.